Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Roblox installed, Cmd X mobile files downloaded, and permissions granted. Once done, open Roblox and note your user ID and the place ID for the game you'll target. Make sure the injector package and any DLLs are in a single accessible folder on your device or cloud. Next, open Cmd X mobile and grant overlay permissions. This lets you inject while Roblox runs. After that, prepare the script you want to run and keep it ready for quick load. You now configure Cmd X mobile to match the game. Select the Roblox process and choose the injection mode: manual for control, auto for speed. Once chosen, load your payload and quickly scan for syntax issues. Errors here cause silent failures. Make sure memory access and input hooks are set to compatible levels so scripts can interact with the game. Then assign overlay hotkeys. These let you toggle features without leaving gameplay. Finally, run a quick dry inject to confirm Cmd X attaches cleanly. You complete the process by injecting and testing a single, low-risk function first, so you know the tool works before enabling complex features. Once injection succeeds, progressively enable other modules and monitor performance and latency. If injection fails, restart Roblox, regrant overlay and storage permissions, then retry. Intermittent app updates can break hooks. Make sure to keep backups of working scripts and use safe mode or whitelist checks to avoid conflicts. If persistent errors appear, revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.